I'm gonna go in with 1 glass of water. Hey guys, how you guys doing? Hope you guys are doing great. So you can see this is my baby. She could not go to school today because she has been having cough, like she could not sleep properly middle of the night. Oh my god, every middle of the night these days we are doing night vigil. So I actually did this research and I felt like showing you guys also. So today I want to show you guys how to make a home remedy cough drink for your baby. So this cough drink is actually for baby from 1 year upward, not baby from 1 month and 6 months. 1 year upward. If your baby is not 1 year upward, please don't give this drink to your baby, okay? So watch it guys. I'm gonna show you guys how I'm gonna make this. I've been giving my baby like some medicine. We bought a lot of medicine already, but still the result is still the same. So I decided to do my own home remedy, natural remedy research for my baby. So this is what I am giving her now, and I'm seeing the results so far. So watch it guys. I'm going to show you every step by step of this cough medicine, remedy cough medicine. You can see my baby here. She didn't go to school today. So watch it. Watch to the end guys. Watch. So here is my apple. I've washed the apple thoroughly, so you can see. Make sure you wash your apple. Anything you are giving your baby, wash it. Wash it, okay? So I'm gonna cut this apple like this. I'm gonna cut it into cubes. Then here is my pot. I'm gonna add it inside the pot. Like I said, watch the video to the end so that you not skip the video and go and do another stuff. Say, oh, she have a pot and what is it called? Pot and apple. Now I know what to do. No, watch the video to the end so that you can learn more. And also, please subscribe, and also share this video. Let other people watch as well. So I'm cutting the apple now. Cutting it thoroughly. So the next thing now, I'm gonna go in with 1 glass of water. So I'm gonna boil this for like about 15 minutes. 15 minutes. It's gonna boil. Like I said, watch this video to the end so that you not skip any part of this video. Keep watching. So here is honey. I'm going to add honey into it. I'm going to use this small spoon. 1 full of the small spoon, not tablespoon, no, because it's a baby. If it's an adult now, you can use tablespoon, but this is a little spoon. 1 full of this spoon, and I'll add it to here. So I've added the honey inside. Watch out. See in my baby cup, then I'll add it inside. Like I said, let it be warm a little bit, not too much warm, because this is baby. Let it be warm a little bit, and I'm going to give to my baby. I'm coming, mama. Anything inside this her what's it called, her cup. She really wants to drink that. That's why, if not, I would have feed her, but guys, I will show you guys how she's drinking it. Hey mama, Joanna, come. Come. You see? So this is very, very effective. So you can try this out for your baby. It's really, really effective. You can see how she's enjoying it. Apple is good, and also honey is good. It calms the temperature or the whatsoever. I'm not a doctor, but this is like natural herbs, like home remedy herbs. It's very, very nice. Please share, let others mothers watch as well. Thanks for watching. Bye. And please subscribe to my YouTube channel.